Yes, my peeps, look at that. 6 mango, 7 mango. I'm gonna eat some of the 7 mango and mango season now. Yeah, man. I'm gonna show you some mango tree. I'm gonna show you how mango them beer at St. Elizabeth. Crazy. And the thing is, it me a mango for sure. No? Around here, so alone, me see it. I don't know. I don't know if they have in a place. We don't even know the name. Yeah, man. I'm gonna show you further down in the video. I want to know. Tell me if you don't know a name or if you there in a place. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. It's a mango, man. Sweet. No more fossil. Big one. Red. Sweet like wow. Look at it. One thing my teeth them design. Get you here. Design. Might be not too ramp with the mango yeah. Yeah man, a year. You like me hungry like dog though? Watch that man, yard man style. Just keep it real and done. Some not like it real but keep it real and done. Yourself. Go and eat the 7 mango yeah. Let me go and show you some mango. Show you some mango tree. Show you the mango them beer boy yeah. So when I say, make for yourself, my peeps. Always one love. Watch it pray. So if you lost spoiled mango, blacky mango, yeah man, mango we made eat a blacky. Yeah man. And the season just start. So they must spoil up. Spoil up all about. That spoil up. I'll show you one tree. What kind of tree that? Chico tree, yeah. It's like a jimbling. One jimbling from sour jimbling. Hit name jimbling. Yeah. A little tree, yeah. Inside there, look up on me. Yeah, man. Mango them full up the place. Full up the place of mango. If you don't want some mango, you link me and contact me and I can get a few buckets well. Yeah, man. Crazy mango a spoil, my peeps. Yeah man, crazy mango a spoil. Yeah, and me talk about it's just my little surrounding. Yeah, and there is so much tree where me not go same way. Yeah man, so you can imagine. If me go all out, you can full of chuck. And them things happen every year. And nobody asks about neighboring community. Yeah? And house a build like nothing, so you know, so a lot of trees get dead. A lot of trees get killed out. See the speed. Look at this. Wanna know how sweet this is? My God. This is so sweet. Nice. Big up yourself, my peeps. Mango season, my peeps. Mango season. Anna up. When I say Anna up, I mean Anna up. Crazy mango. Try mango them beer. Now what kind of mango this? Not right full yet still. But bastard Jolie. I set it Jolie and then I come full Jolie. Come bastard Jolie. Look at it. Beer go right to the ground. Beer subtle. Mango like dirts. That's crazy mango, my peeps. Crazy mango. Mango beer saying you know say. Then say pot turn down. Yeah man. Make me feel say hungry. They say hungry time I start, you know. Mind tell me say I really that old people I say. But them say it in a style pan way, you know. Bastard Jolie. Mango season on my people. Look at ground. Look at ground for mango spread out. And it just start one side. Everywhere you go you see my mango. You find buckets that hit the ground. Yeah. Tree them, big tree them, big old tree them, light tree, big crazy tree. Just stand under the animal pass through and pick up, you know. It's a real Jolie. The real Jolie. Them kind of not, them not ready yet, you know. Real Jolie. Real Jolie. Yeah man, real Jolie man. Yeah. There. Yes, my peeps, and what kind of mango them is. The mango ya East Indian. Beer so till they let down a ground. The beer so till. Watch so mango there St. Elizabeth, you know man. You say mango, you talk crazy mango, you know. Crazy mango, you know, there St. Elizabeth, you know. Now toy season come on. Crazy. Toy season crazy. Toy season crazy and them beer crazy. You can imagine man. Look at that. And this is dust. And this is dust on the lower down. Just see up in it. So you see up in a beer. Crazy mango, my peeps. Yeah, man. Yes, my peeps. Now you go. When you come to St. Elizabeth, a crazy mango. When we say mango, we mean mango, 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 endless. And when we say 90% of them mango, yeah, they must spoil. Yeah, man. They must spoil because there's about few man out the road that sell mango. Yeah, man. Most of it, people just come and take up, but it's too much. And when you talk about common, when you talk about blackie, when you talk about crazy other mango, man, green skin. When you say crazy mango and more, no fight, and no fight treat them kill them out. Yeah? Pick up yourself, my peeps. So they are going to look for some mango. When I look at Julia. A small tree. And a beer like talking said speed. Yeah, man. You see, I said best, you know? Everything beer, yeah. Everything watch for honey. Look for potato. And crazy things. What's been go across all this, so? When I say mango, common mango over there. You can see the common them across. Look up yourself, my people. Yeah, my peeps. I want to show you mango them with me at that. Got that one dip on the ground. You see it? You see already, be? Look at it. Something bite it. Look at it. Something bite it. Look at it same way. You see it? Look. Red on one side. Red on one side of it. And looks like that. They call them kidney. Look at it. See there, look. Me say juice. Me mean. When me say juice, me mean like crazy juice them carry. Yeah. Me say juice them carry crazy juice. Crazy juice and sweet. We never got nowhere go see them before. Yeah, man. No way at all, we never go see them before. So if you know a name of them or know them, can make me know and tell me. We call them kidney. Kidney mango. They are not all about, man. They are both underneath the tree, same way. It's a very old tree, they are a long time, but they are at any time. Enough. Got that one there. See that? And the up in that tree, enough. Uncommon tree. Now I get to, you know.